Good afternoon, class. So here's our next discussion for catering and banquet management. We are already on our information sheet 3.1. If you'll see your module, okay, ito na po yung i-discuss natin. Who is the caterer? So basically, the caterer, it is how caterers define who they are, and begins with an analysis of their capabilities as a caterer and how they can satisfy customers' needs and wants. Of course, we have to make sure if we are a caterer, we have to have this unique how do you call this unique personality as a caterer, okay, para makilala tayo, okay, since kung if you're planning to be in this industry in the near future, you have to make sure meron kayong pagkakakilanlan, okay, as a caterer. So every business meron naman yan, okay, kaya nga sumikat sila because of their brand, okay. Mukha ng Starbucks, they're more on pag sinabi mo Starbucks, they serve coffee, and they have a good service actually. They have a very unique service. Remember, pag pumapasok tayo sa Starbucks, before tayo magbayad or habang kinukuha yung orders natin, tinatanong din yung pangalan natin, and then nilalagay nila doon sa mga cup in order for them to know kung kanino yung order na yon. Okay, so hindi sila nagbibigay ng number. Kung mapapansin niyo, ang binibigay nila is yung or sinisigaw nila hindi number, sinisigaw nila is pangalan. Okay, not unlike yesterday I've been to a McDonald's McDonald's restaurant, okay, fast food, I mean. Umorder ako doon, so ang binibigay nila na number, and they're shouting out in the whole area the number, okay, number 27, ganon, sisigaw sila, ay tapos pipick up ng number 27 because of the what's happening nowadays because of the pandemic. So ganun yung ginagawa nila to maintain yung social distancing. Okay, pero si Starbucks, matagal na niyang ginagawa yon, pero with a personal touch. Bakit? Kasi from there nakikilala nila yung mga customer nila by their names, 'di ba? Mas maganda nga yan kasi it becomes an advantage for us na parang our customer feels so important doon sa pag pumapasok sila sa isang restaurant, kasi kilala sila by their name. Okay, so ibig sabihin meron silang something na parang merong personal touch yung service nila that makes everyone goes back. Okay, so ganun it should have your business. If you will have your catering business, you should have something like that. Okay, na that would make you unique, at the same time mahila natin yung mga guests natin for a second come back. Okay, so yun. And then mission statements, or the purpose, this serves as a purpose of the business, okay, or any business tayo. They serve as a parang guide natin. Okay, it identifies who the caterer is and communicates what the caterer can do for all potential customers. So looking at your mission statement, magkakaroon ka agad ng parang perception yung mga clients natin or yung mga guests natin. Pag nakita lang yung mga mission statement. Sometimes yung mga caterers natin, but if they hand out calling cards, okay, nagbigay sila ng mga calling card, minsan nandun na yung mga mission statements nila and vision of the company, okay, para at least makilala na kagad ng guest or ng client, possible clients, yung kung anong klaseng catering company sila. Okay, from there makikita nila malalaman nila kung anong klaseng catering business yon. And aside from dun sa may experience pa nila yung what more kung may experience pa nila yung service na binibigay mo. Okay, so remember that the mission statement should have or will serve as your guide in order for you to achieve the longer goal. Okay, yung longer goal natin, which is our vision. Okay, so what is the importance of mission statement? Mission statement is the caterer's guiding light. Sabi niya. Okay, so it is our guide in every actions that we display. So if we know the mission statement and put the mission statement in our hearts, ay you would know hindi ka mawawala. Bakit? Kasi in every action you would always see to it that it is towards your mission statement, in towards achieving your mission statement. So a mission statement helps communicates who and what caterer is to the stakeholders. Meaning, pag sinabi natin stakeholders, we have the employees, suppliers, clients, guests, community, neighbors, competitors, government agencies, and others. So, sa lahat ng tao, malalaman nila through the mission statement kung anong klaseng catering business ka. Okay? And who have direct relationship with the business. It is also important for the caterer to share expectations and long-term plan with the community. Okay? Kasama sa mission statement natin and sa vision statement natin, lahat ng mga plans natin and lahat ng mga goals natin. What are our goals? So we have a mission statement would project our short-term goals, while the vision statement, yung vision natin, would project the long-term goal. Okay? Long-term goal ng business. Okay? Now, a mission statement is important for numbers of reasons. First, the mission statement is important for internal organization. So, through the mission statement, dun mo mafo-formulate yung environment na gusto mong mangyari inside the organization. Okay? It is for internal use of the organization. So kung paano mo gustong magkaroon or kung anong environment ang gusto mong impart sa mga employees mo inside your organization or inside your catering business, dito ka magbabase or dito natin ibabase. Okay? It reflects the company's culture. Ayan. So if you're new business, ay ikaw ang gagawa ng sarili mong kultura. So based on that culture, ay dun yun yung tatatak sa mga tao. If you're going to have a very bad leadership or ownership of the business, okay, it would reflect pa rin dun sa mga tao, kasi that becomes your culture. Okay? So magiging marami ang turnover mo when it comes to employee. Bakit? Kasi kung bad ang vision mo or bad ang attitude mo, okay, inside the organization, of course tatatak yan sa mga empleyado mo. So you have to make sure you take good care of your employees in order for them to bring it back to the company. Okay? A company's culture is a reflection of its core beliefs, values, and history. Pag sinabi natin core beliefs, values, and values, okay, ito yung kung ano yung pinapakita mo as individual, okay, inside the organization, kung anong value yung gusto mong ma-impart sa kanila at isa katuparan nila or gawin nila as individual also. Okay, yung ini-impart mo sa mga empleyado mo. So if you're implying for trust and trust and hard work value, okay, you have to be one of those people who does that. Okay? So yun yung magiging parang belief mo, core belief mo na if I work hard, I'll be praised and compensated well. Okay? One good example would be when I was in Purple Pad Thai in Baguio, or any Purple Pad Thai. Okay? One of the core beliefs of our ano to, bosses, okay, or the owners of Purple Pad Thai is trust. Okay? If you can see, if you will look at any of the establishment, okay, sabihin na natin sa Marisol, Purple Pad Thai Marisol, kung punta kayo, kung napunta na kayo doon, or gusto niyo punta doon, eh do wala pang dine-in ngayon, puro take out lang. Ay, and then sa SM Food Court Clark and SM Food Court Baguio, okay, makikita niyo walang CCTV camera doon. Okay? Hindi sila nagpapalagay ng CCTV camera. Bakit? Kasi ang ini-imply nila, one of their core beliefs is trust. Now, it's up to you as an employee if you will if you will make that trust work or not. Okay? Nasa sa iyo kung pag gusto kang pagkatiwalaan ng mga boss mo o hindi. Well, actually, andun na yung tiwala. Nasa sa iyo kung sisirain mo yung tiwala. Okay? Marami na akong napaalis sa Purple Pad Thai Baguio because of that tiwala. Okay? One good reason, dahil nga masyadong hindi ganun kahigpit dahil walang CCTV camera. Pero of course, ako yung head nila doon, ako yung branch supervisor doon. So hindi pwede naman sa akin 'yon. Hindi rin pwede sa akin 'yon. So hindi mahigpit ang mga owner, pero ako mahigpit ako. Sorry na lang sa kanila. Ay, as in talaga kinakausap ko, and I go one-on-one with them. Okay, kinakausap ko sila. Okay, going back. Now, second is the mission statement position the business independently from competition. Okay? If you have this mission, a very good mission statement, you would not look at your competitors. Okay? Hindi mo titingnan yung mga competitors at hindi ka makikipagkompetensya sa mga competitors mo. Bakit? Because your mission statement alone gives you the uniqueness. Okay? In every situation, it gives you the uniqueness. So, hindi mo kailangan makipag-compete. Okay lang kahit marami silang guests, kami konti lang, or okay lang kung marami kaming guests kahit konti lang sa kanila. It doesn't matter. Okay? Ang mga tao hindi mo mapipilit kung saan siya pupunta at saan siya bibili ng pagkain. Okay? But if you believe in hindi mo kailangan makipag-compete, because if you have a very good mission statement at ginagawa yan ng mga tao towards the achievement of your long-term goals, okay, wala kang dapat ika-worry. Okay? Now, personal reason, a mission statement is more than simply having a business and making money. Okay? Although a caterer may cite various reasons for creating a business, these reasons are strictly individual and personal in nature and often reflect their unique catalyst for the business. Minsan nami-mix natin yung personal with business. Okay? But basically, we have to make sure na we work professionally para hindi siya nami-mix. Okay? It also provides additional anong tawag nito? Parang motivation sa mga tao if you are trying to portray a very good character of an individual. Okay? Kamukha ng sinabi ko dati, there's a big difference between being a leader and being a boss. Okay? Tandaan ninyo yan. There's a very big difference. Okay? You have to make sure kung alin ka doon. You have to be clear kung alin ka doon. Okay? You have to be a leader in a sense na they respect you. Okay? Remember that respect is always earn, hindi siya binibigay. Okay? Kaya nga, that's one of my core belief in every section that I am handling. Okay? Respeto, respeto, respeto. I will respect you if you earn that respect. Pero if you don't earn that respect, kung wala kang respeto, I'm sorry to say. Okay?